if you are infected with this Wuhan novel coronavirus, there is a chance of getting secondary infection of viral pneumonia. Because of that, people are getting died. What are the symptoms of this Wuhan novel coronavirus? It is similar to influenza and it causes upper and lower respiratory tract illnesses. This disease may attack very easily to the people, those who are already suffering with cardiopulmonary diseases or immune deficiency, infants and older adults. Symptoms, it may vary, but there will be runny nose and headache, cough. Yes friends, this is very peculiar cough will be there, dry cough and sore throat with swollen adenoids, and there will be fever. Initially you may not get fever, but there will be fever over the period and general feeling of being unwell. These are the symptoms. However, since it is a viral infection, it will have some incubation period. Until the studies are going on what is the incubation period of this novel coronavirus, but all these symptoms will be disappear. Yeah, there will be systematic fever, fatigue, respiratory, there will be dry cough, shortness of breath. And when it comes to circulatory system, there will be decreased white blood cells and kidneys decreased function. So if the person is already suffering with circulatory system disease or kidneys, and this viral infection is also cause circulatory system decreased white blood cells and kidneys decreased function. Because of this, there is a chance of death. Why it is named as novel coronavirus? Wuhan novel coronavirus. It is also known as 2019 nCoV. Dear friends, it was first found in Wuhan city of China on December 31st, 2019. Several cases of pneumonia were observed in Wuhan city of China, and on January 7th, 2020, Chinese identified a new virus and named temporarily as Wuhan novel coronavirus. Hence, the first it was observed or it was found in Wuhan city of China. Then what is 2019? Yes, since it was first found on 31st December 2019, this 2019 has taken from the year 2019. Then what is novel? Novel means literal meaning of novel means new. Means it is a new virus. So 2019 new coronavirus. And what is corona? Corona means crown. Literal meaning of corona means crown. Why it is named as crown? Yes, the virus of this novel coronavirus has spikes. Outer layer has some spikes. These spikes are like crown-like structure. Since it is in the form of crown-like structure, so it is named as coronavirus. It is very clear, friends. Since it was found in 2019 31st December, temporarily the virus is named with a new name, that is 2019 nCoV, which is also known as Wuhan novel coronavirus. There are about 7 types of human coronaviruses are found. Among them, 7th one is novel coronavirus, which is human coronavirus. It was first found in 1960, and human coronavirus 2003 severe acute respiratory syndrome was observed in this SARS, and human coronavirus NL63 HCOV NL63, human coronavirus HKU1, Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus, that is MERS CoV. All these viruses are already known. However, this novel coronavirus is a new virus which was found on January 7th, 2020 by Chinese, given a new name, that is novel coronavirus 2019 nCoV. Almost 85 countries are affected with this coronavirus. It has become a pandemic disease. That means almost all countries, especially China mainland, since it was first observed in China, about 80,000 cases were found to show this coronavirus positive, and among them 3,000 people were died and 49,000 people were already recovered and remaining are under the treatment. And South Korea, yes friends, South Korea also affected a lot. Yes, around 6,000 cases were registered with this novel coronavirus. Among them 35 people were died because of this novel coronavirus. When it comes to Italy, yes, this is also one of the worstly affected country by Wuhan coronavirus, where 3,000 cases were registered and among them 107 people were already died. And when it comes to Japan, yes, 331 and 6 people were died among them. When it comes to United States of America, to date about 158 cases were registered with novel coronavirus. Among them 11 people were died and 9 were recovered, whereas remaining people are under the treatment. Yes friends, recently, yes, this coronavirus has entered even into India. Yes, around 29 cases were found to show positive of novel coronavirus. However, 3 people were recovered and remaining are under treatment. Yes. Diagnosis based on symptoms and physical examination, polymerase chain reaction. It's a specific test available for novel coronavirus. So if it is positive, then you will be declared as a positive case of novel coronavirus. At the same time, even if you have fever and headache, everything, though all these symptoms are common in other fever, it is better to rule out other infections like pneumonia, typhoid, malaria, dengue, chikungunya, even common cold. So it is better to rule out all these infections. What is prognosis? What is observed? Out of 80,000 people, only 1 to 5% of death is observed. That means it is not that dangerous, and remaining all are getting recovered. There is no need to worry about this novel coronavirus. But if you are already suffering with other diseases like especially cardiovascular diseases or kidney diseases, yes, there is a chance of fatality is up to 26%, because already that person is not doing well because of pre-existing diseases. There is chance of getting death is 26%. Otherwise, it is nothing to worry. Death rate of this novel coronavirus is only 1 to 5%. Yes friends, prevention. As per World Health Organization, the best way to prevent this novel coronavirus is wash your hands very well with soap water. Advisable, better to wash your hands with alcohol, but then your mouth and nose while coughing and sneezing. Yes, it is very very important. Avoid close contact with who has fever and cough. Person is suffering with fever and cough, and please be away them. Seek medical care if you have fever, cough, or difficulty in breathing. Yet it is not decided or it is not found how it is spreading. Since it is not yet decided, it is advised by WHO that avoid direct unprotected contact with live animals. So be away from animals. At the same time, please don't eat raw animal food or raw uncooked animal products should be avoided. Cooked food, yes, you can, but raw meat, milk or animal organs should be handled with care. Avoid cross contamination with uncooked foods. So these are all the preventive measures advised by World Health Organization. Is there any vaccine available? No friends, there is no vaccine is available. This 2019 NCOV and the preparation of this vaccine is under progress worldwide. For example, in China, Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention is working towards this. The United States National Institute of Health produced by May 2020. They are expected to produce by May 2020. Australia, yes, they are investigating a molecular clamp vaccine which is available already, and they are doing some genetic modification and stimulating an immune reaction. So it is under progress. And also, yes, they may start production and animal testing in March 2020, and they are expected to go for testing in March 2020 and human testing in 2021. Till date, there is no vaccine. Allopathy, it is also known as modern medicine. What is the treatment available for this novel coronavirus? Symptomatic treatment means based on the symptoms. If you have fever and body aches, paracetamol should be provided in ICU. If you are positive with novel coronavirus, you are advised to join in intensive care unit. At the same time, these patients must be isolated. Treatment available is symptomatic These patients will have fever, it will be given paracetamol, that is acetaminophen is used for fever and discomfort. Secondary infection, the main treatment involves secondary infections to be treated with corresponding medication. If the person is already suffering with any other infections, maybe pneumonia, typhoid, malaria, dengue, whatever may be the infection, that patient has to be treated as per the corresponding secondary infection. Is there any specific drugs for this? No, friends, there is no specific antiviral drugs available for this 2019 novel coronavirus. Don't use any medicine without doctor's prescription. Yes, friends, you are not supposed to take any medicine without doctor's prescription. Here I have shown paracetamol. It is for just for your understanding purpose only. Please don't take on your own these medicines.